This player was never invited to a birthday party, and the reason is truly impressive. He is N'Golo Kante, one of the most respected football players in the world. Former Brazilian defender Felipe Luis, who played alongside him in France, once shared an incredible story. One day I invited him to my birthday party. Kante arrived with a simple box of chocolates. Embarrassed, he apologized and said he didn't know what to bring, because he had never been invited to a birthday party in his entire life. At that time, Kante was getting around on his favorite mode of transport, a skateboard. That is exactly how he showed up to the party. Helmet on his head, backpack on his back, and chocolates in hand. Felipe Luis said he smiled a lot, but always with a shy smile, and it was hard for him to talk to people. What makes his story even more fascinating is his difficult past. As a child, he worked as a garbage collector, picking up waste to help his family buy food and basic necessities. Kante never chased luxury. He never wanted to show off his wealth. He simply remained what he always was, a humble, discreet, and extraordinary man. If you love football, like the video and leave a message for this player.